Hey LEGO fans, I'm swinging into action with this new set 76321 at 393 pieces. Spider-Man versus Doc Ock subway train scene. So this set hits a little bit different for me. Spider-Man isn't all about villains and webs. He's Peter Parker. He's trying to deal with loss, anxiety, grief, trying to get good grades, and still do the right thing, as many of you kids out there are trying to do. Take it from Peter Parker. One brick at a time. Don't focus on the whole city, just what's in front of you. Take it one day at a time. With great power comes great responsibility. And parents, we have a great power too. Showing up, putting our phones down, and listening to our children. And yes, that is our responsibility. And that is how we build great humans one piece at a time. So let's get to building. So this set has 1, 2, 3 bags. Comes with a sticker sheet, the base, and 2 long web slinger pieces. And lovely booklet of 66 pages. So what I like to call a definite quick build. So let's get started. Hey everyone. So this set appears to come with 4 minifigs. And here I have Spider-Man in the suit from Spider-Man 2. Now I am a minifig collector, and this is definitely an awesome suit, and it is exclusive to the set. He also has a transitional head so that he can fulfill the full suit design. So let's get back to building. These represent the chairs in the subway train. So the subway train lights are complete, and the passenger flow emblems are on, which I'm terrible at centering. All right, everybody, we got a couple windows complete, and the inside sticker modules are done. Hey everyone, so this is the second minifig that I have found in the set, and this is also exclusive only to the set, and this is Aunt May, which I think is pretty true to its source, as in Spider-Man 2, she's still depicted as an old woman. So let's get back to building. Hey everyone, so the rail wheels are complete, and we're going to do a quick roll test. Rail wheels seem really durable, so let's give it a try. Let's give it a go. One. And 2. So I think the design was made really well, and as you guys can see, there is no mechanical issues in rowing. So I give the rail wheels a 10 out of 10. Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys this movie accurate detail of this sticker here. If you look closely, it says Bay Ridge. Now in the 2004 Spider-Man 2 film, Peter Parker takes Bay Ridge. That's the subway line where he goes off to fight the iconic battle between him and Doc Ock. So this particular design, and accuracy, I give Lego a 10 out of 10. And as you can see, either side has the Bay Ridge logo. Now, when Spider-Man is standing in front of the train in that epic scene, you can also, I believe, see Bay Ridge. So, let's get back to building. Okay guys, so here are the final 2 minifigs that are exclusive to the set. Doc Ock and Jonah Jameson, who works for the Daily Bugle. I think Jameson and Doc Ock are extremely movie accurate. Look at the hairline on Jameson here. He's got a widow's peak, just like he does in the film, which I think is pretty awesome. And Doc Ock has the iconic goggles that he wears as Dr. Octopus. He also has a transitional face where he can wear his traditional glasses and, of course, his octopus arms, which I think are really cool feature on this minifig. I would have to say that this particular minifig is also my favorite, as he can also clip on to the subway train. Check this guy out. So definitely a 10 out of 10. Hey everyone, the set 76321 is finally complete. Spider-Man versus Doc Ock. There were some really awesome features that I really enjoyed about this set. First, to let you guys know that this set is actually a remake from the 2004 Spider-Man Train Rescue set 4855. Now, back in 2004, when Spider-Man 2 released, they also released that set. I think this is a great modular build. If that was a set that you guys were looking forward to that retired and you didn't get your hands on it, this is an awesome set. First, I think that the swivel feature that they put at the end of the instruction manual, where you can transition out a swivel piece for a 2x4 in the center of the rail wheel for a more stationary look, or you can have more of a swivel look for an iconic shelf scene. Now, the other feature that I really like is the Spider-Man minifig. He definitely goes and hooks right onto the center of the subway train with his long web shooters. And it also looks like we've got bricks flying by as Doc Ock is busting up this subway train. He clearly looks like he also ripped off the roof, which I think is great, that the roof is transitional. You can put a bunch of minifigs inside and make it look like he's got a lot of people in danger. Now, Aunt May and Jonah Jameson were not a part of this iconic scene in Spider-Man 2, but you can still include them for a really cool, iconic look. Now, I will say that the most important phrase that we remember from Spider-Man is, with great power comes great responsibility. Now, kids, you guys have a superpower too. And that's asking for help when you guys need it the most. Teachers, parents, friends, we are your web of guidance. Now, if you guys are truly a Spider-Man fan, then you'll use your power. And that's always asking for help. That's literally the smartest thing you can do. So, go build something awesome. And as I always say, buy someone a brick, calm their mind, let Lego help anxiety unwind. Until next time.
Follow me on YouTube for more inspirational Lego tips and builds at Why We Brick and more.